Hi everyone, this is Jormark TV and sa video na ito, i-discuss naman natin about introduction to mathematical statements. Dito, i-discuss natin yung equations at saka inequalities. Mathematical statement is a statement that involves two or more expressions with relation symbols between two of them. So sabi daw, pag sinabing mathematical statement, isa siyang statement na involve ang dalawang expressions. Tapos sa gitna nila, mayroong relation symbol. So ano-anong mga relation symbols? Meron tayong 5 relation symbols na ginagamit sa mathematical statement. Una is equal or equals. Ito naman, greater than. Ayan. Next, less than. Ito, greater than, kaya lang may guhit sa ibaba. So, ang tawag dito ay greater than or equal. Tapos ito naman, less than or equal. So, ayan po yung relation symbols na nilalagay sa gitna ng dalawang expression. So, ito yung mga examples. Okay, so ito yung examples ng mathematical statements. 2x plus 4 equals 7, 3y plus 3z equals 5, 4 minus 5d is greater than 3d, and 5x plus 4 is less than or equal to 2x minus 10. So, sila ay may mathematical statements kasi meron silang relation symbol. Dito, equals, no? Kaya mathematical statement to. Dito, equals rin, kaya naging mathematical statement. Dito naman, ang relation symbol ay greater than, tapos dito naman ay less than or equal. So, silang lahat ay mathematical statements. So, ano ba pinagkaiba ng mathematical statements sa mathematical expression? Ngayon, kung makikita natin sa examples ng mathematical expression, wala silang relation symbol kagaya ng equals, greater than, less than, mga ganyan. So, sa mathematical statements, meron silang relation symbol na kagaya nito. Sa mathematical expression kasi wala. So, we have 2x plus 4, 3y plus 3z, 4 minus 5d, and 5x plus 4. Silang lahat ay mathematical expressions sapagkat wala silang relation symbol na kagaya nito. Okay, so tandaan po natin, ito yung mathematical statement kasi merong ganito. Tapos, ito naman ay mathematical expression kasi walang ganito. Okay, so under mathematical statements, which is yan yung dinidiscuss natin or pinag-uusapan natin, meron tayong dalawang uri ng mathematical statement. Ito yung dalawang uri ng mathematical statement. The first one is algebraic equation, a mathematical statement that uses the equal sign. While the algebraic inequality, a mathematical statement that uses one of the inequality symbols. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal, or less than or equal. So sabi daw, pag sinabing algebraic equation, isa siyang mathematical statement kung saan ang ginamit na symbol is equal sign. Samantala, sa inequality naman is ang ginamit na sign or ang relation sign na ginagamit is isa sa apat na ito. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal, or less than or equal. So, silang apat ay tinatawag na inequality symbols. Ayan. Ayan, silang apat na yan. So, ito yung examples ng algebraic equation at saka algebraic inequality. Under algebraic equation, we have x equals 3, x plus y equals 6, 2x minus 3 equals 4y, and a plus 3b equals 3 plus 2a. So, as you can see, they are all equations kasi lahat sila ay may equal sign. Okay, kaya tinawag silang equation. Sa algebraic inequality, ang mga examples nila ay x is greater than 3, x plus y is less than 6, 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 4y, and a plus 3b is less than or equal to 3 plus 2a. Silang lahat ay algebraic inequality na tinatawag kasi yung symbols na nasa gitna ng expression ay greater than, less than, greater than or equal, at saka less than or equal. So, silang lahat ay symbols ng inequality. That's why, ang tawag sa kanila ay algebraic inequality. So, ito yung equation kasi equals yung sign nila. At ito naman ay inequality kasi ang symbol nila ay ito. Okay? So, ano bang meron sa equation nito at bakit kailangan natin pag-aralan yan? Okay, so pansinin natin itong statement na to. So we have 4 plus blank equals 7 and blank minus 5 equals 8. So na-encounter nyo yan yung nung mga elementary days kayo, no? Especially grade 1, mga ganyan. So hahanapin mo yung missing number kung saan kapag pinag-add natin yung number sa missing number na yon, ang sagot ay ito. Okay? So alam natin na ang blank na yon ay 3. Kasi 4 plus 3 equals 7. At dito naman, blank minus 5 equals 8. Alam natin na ang sagot dito ay 13. Kasi 13 minus 5 equals 8. 'Di ba? Ngayon, gagawin natin ulit yan. But this time, i-replace natin itong blanks na ito or boxes, no, with letters. So, yung 4 plus blank equals 7, magiging 4 plus x equals 7, which is equation na ang tawag dito. Okay? Equation, algebraic equation rather. Okay? Tapos dito naman, yung blank minus 5 equals 8, papalitan natin yung blank ng variable, magiging y minus 5 equals 8. So, naging algebraic equation na siya. Okay? Yung variables kasi is yung tinatawag na unknowns. Okay? Kagaya nito ng role, papel ng mga blanks na to, unknown, di ba? So, dito natin ilalagay yung unknown number para maging tama itong statement na ito. So, ang purpose ng equation na ito is to find the value of the unknown variable, which is x at saka y. And since nakuha natin yung missing numbers dito, so nahanap natin yung values ng variable na ito. So, x is equal to 3 because of this, and y equals 13 because of this. Okay? So, yan. To solve the equation means to find the value of x. Ayan. Value of x in the equation. Na doble tuloy. Yan. Ulitin ko ha. To solve the equation means to find the value of x in the equation or inequality. Okay? Ayan. Pwede rin namang inequality. Yan. So, pag sinabing solve the equation, ayan, yung verb na solve. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, kukunin mo yung values ng x or y or any unknown variable na nasa equation. Okay? So, kukunin mo yung value of x na kung saan kapag sinubstitute mo, magiging tama yung statement. Okay? So, ayan po yung verb na solve. Okay? Sa solve the equation. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin mo yung values ng unknown variable. Okay? Next, when the value of x satisfies the equation, this means the equation becomes true for the value of x when substituted. Then, the value of x is called the solution or root. So, if x is equal to 3, at kapag sinubstitute natin dito sa equation na ito, sa variable, no? Yung 4 plus x equals 7, di ba? X is equals to 3, di ba? Magiging ano siya, 4 plus 3. Kasi yung x, pinalitan natin ng 3, di ba? Magiging 4 plus 3 na siya. Okay? And 4 plus 3 equals 7, which is equal to this one. So, it turns out na kapag yung value of x ay 3, magiging true yung magiging true yung statement. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, yung x is equals to 3 is yung tinatawag na solution. Solution to the equation. Similar with this one, y equals 13. So, kung y equals 13, at sinubstitute natin dito sa equation na ito, so, ibig sabihin nun, yung y mapapalitan ng 13, di ba? So, 13 minus 5 equals 8. So, which is true. 'Di ba? Kasi 13 minus 5 equals 8 eh. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung y equals 13 is the solution as well. Okay? I-identify muna natin yung parts ng equation bago tayo bibigay ng examples dyan. So, ito yung parts ng mathematical statement. In this case, equation muna tayo kasi equal sign to eh. Itong relation symbol, equal sign or any of the inequality symbol, ito yung naghahati sa dalawang sides ng equation. So, dito, left side. Tapos, dito naman, right side. And sa mathematical statement or sa equation, yan, sa equation muna tayo, dapat mag-balance sila. No? Kaya nga equal, di ba? Dapat mag-balance sila. Parang sa alam mo yung timbangan na balance, di ba? May dalawang parang ganito, dinitimbang nila, no? Para maging pantay. So, ganun, dapat maging balance sila. So, kung ano man value of y dyan, be sure na mag-balance sa kabilang side. Okay? So, in this case, kung y equals 13 yan, no? At sinubstitute natin yung 13 sa variable, so, magiging siya, 13 minus 5, which is equal to 8. And nag-balance siya with right side, kung ang value of y is 13. So, ibig sabihin nun, kapag nag-balance siya, ibig sabihin, nag-satisfy yung value of y sa equation. And therefore, isa siyang solution dito sa equation na ito. Ngayon, kung iibahin natin ang value of y, let's say, y equals 15. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, 'di ba? So 15 minus 5 magiging 10 na siya, no? 10 sa left side pero sa right side 8. Ang nangyari, hindi magba-balance kasi hindi pantay yung nila, yung numbers nila. So therefore, hindi nag-satisfy ito at it follows na itong 15 is not a solution. Okay, so ganito po ang nagagawa ng equation. So, kapag equal sign ng relation symbol, dapat pantay yung numbers sa left side at saka sa right side kapag sinubstitute natin yung numbers sa variable. Okay. So, ngayon, magbibigay tayo ng example and let's see kung ano nung mga values ng x na magsasatisfy sa equation. Which of the following values of x is or are solutions of the equation or inequality? So, equation muna tayo. Number 1, 2x plus 3 equals 7. So, let's see kung alin sa x equals 1, x equals 2, at x equals 4 ay solutions dito sa equation na ito. And para malaman natin yung solution, be sure na kapag sinubstitute natin yung value ng x dito sa equation na ito, dapat mag-satisfy. Ibig sabihin, maging balance yung value sa left side at saka sa right side ng equation. Okay? So, umpisa tayo sa x equals 1. Ayan. So, from 2x plus 3 equals 7, so yung x, papalitan natin ng 1. Okay? So that we have 2 times 1 plus 3 equals 7. So, isolve natin or isimplify natin yung nasa left side ng equation. Okay, so we have 2 plus 1. or 2 times 1, no? 2 times 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. Ayan yung value sa left side. Tapos sa right side is 7. And as you can see, 5 equals 7. So, hindi siya nag-balance. 'Di ba? So, dapat mag-balance sila eh. So, this is false. Because 5 is should be not equal to 7. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung x equals 1, hindi siya solution. So, ayan. X na yan. Okay? Next, if x equals 2, ayan. So, doing the same process once again, but this time, x equals 2. So, papalitan natin yung x ng 2. So, 2 times 2 plus 3 equals 7. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. Then, plus 3 equals 7. Yan yung sa left side, di ba? Tapos, sa right side naman ay 7 din. So, as you can see, yung left side at saka right side ay nag-balance kasi parehas 7 yung values nila. Okay? So, nag-satisfy yung x equals 2 sa equation. So, therefore, itong x equals 2 ay solution sa equation na ito. Okay? Next, sa x equals 4 naman tayo. So, purahin na natin to. Baka di mag-cash eh. Yan, x equals 4 naman tayo. So, isubstitute natin yung x ng 4. So, we have 2 times 4 plus 3 equals 7. So, we have 2 times 4, that is 8, plus 3, and 8 plus 3 equals 11. Then, equals 7. Ayan. 11 equals 7. So, hindi sila nag-balance. So, hindi sila equal. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, yung x equals 4 ay hindi solution. Okay? So, between 3 of them, ang solution sa kanila ay x equals 2. Since nag-satisfy yung x equals 2 sa equation na ito. Okay? So, x equals 2 ang sagot po. Next, number 2, we have 12 minus x equals 2x. And let's see kung x equals 4, x equals 5, or x equals 6 ang solutions dito. Okay, by doing that, isubstitute natin yung x equals, yung given values nila sa equation, and let's see kung mag-balance or mag-satisfy. Okay, so umpisa tayo sa x equals 4. So, we have 12 minus x equals 2x. So, yung x, papalitan natin ng 4. Okay, so we have 12 minus 4 equals 2 times 4. And we have 12 minus 4 sa left side, which is 8. And 2 times 4, which is also 8. So, nag-balance yung dalawang sides ng equation. And therefore, if x equals 4, satisfied siya dito sa equation na ito. So, x equals 4 ay isang solution. Okay, let's try another one. So, x equals 5. Ayan. So, once again, isubstitute natin yung 5 sa equation na ito. So, 12 minus 5 equals 2 times 5. And 12 minus 5 equals 7. And 2 times 5 equals 10. So, hindi nag-balance yung dalawang sides ng equation. Thus, yung x equals 5 ay hindi siya solution. Okay. So, this is true and this is false. So, hindi siya part ng solution. And lastly, x equals 6. No? So, isubstitute natin yung 6 sa equation. So, 12 minus 6 equals 2 times 6. 12 minus 6 equals 6 and 2 times 6 equals 12. So, hindi din sila nag-balance, no? So, therefore, x equals 6 is not a solution. Kasi, ito nag-false siya. Okay, false to kasi hindi equal. So, ayan na, we have one solution here since isang value of x na nag-satisfy sa equation na ito. And that is x equals 4. So, ito yung sagot. Okay? Next, number 3, we have 2 multiplied by x plus 4 equals negative 2x. And let's see kung negative 1, negative 2, or negative 3 ba ang value of x na nag-satisfy dito. So, alin sa tatlo kaya ang solutions dito? So, umpisa tayo sa x equals negative 1. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung x dito at saka dito ay papalitan ng negative 1. So, that we have 2 times yung x, magiging negative 1 na siya, plus 4 equals negative 2 times negative 1. And let's simplify, ano po. So, 2 times negative 1 plus 4, positive 3. Okay, and 2 times 3 is 6. Yan sa left side. Sa right side naman, so we have negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. And we have 6 equals 2, which is false. Kasi hindi sila equal no? So, hindi nag-satisfy yung x equals 1 dito sa equation na ito. And thus, x equals 1 or negative 1 is not a solution. So, x na to. Next is x equals negative 2. So, once again, papalitan natin yung x ng negative 2. So, we have 2 times negative 2 plus 4 equals negative 2 times negative 2. Tapos, simplify natin, no? So, 2 times negative 2 plus 4, positive 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. Ayan. And dito naman sa right side, negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. Ayan. So, equal sila. Okay, so this is true. 4 equals 4 So, therefore, dahil nag-satisfy yung x equals negative 2 sa equation, so, x equals negative 2 is the solution. Okay. Papaano naman yung x equals negative 3? So, tignan natin. We have 2 times yung x, palitan natin ng negative 3, no? Then, plus 4 equals negative 2 times negative 3. And, ganun ulit, simplify ulit. So, 2 times negative 3 plus 4, positive 1. And 2 times 1 is 2. Tapos, dito naman, negative 2 times negative 3. So, we have positive 6. Ayan. Hindi equal yung 2 sa 6, no? So, 2 is not equal to 6. So, which is false. So, alam na, no? Hindi nag-satisfy yung negative 3 sa equation. So, this is not a solution. And, we have only one solution here. So, x equals negative 2. So, ito yung solution. Okay, so the answer is x equals negative 2. Number 4, x squared minus x minus 2 equals 4. So, let's see kung x equals negative 2, x equals 2, or x equals 3 ay solutions dito. So, let's start off with x equals negative 2. So, isubstitute natin yung negative 2 sa equation. So, we have negative 2 squared. Ayan. Dapat nakaparenthesis yung negative. Ano po? Minus negative 2 minus 2 equals 4. So, we have negative 2 squared. That is equal to negative 2 times negative 2. Positive 4. Okay, tapos gawin natin itong addition. So, minus negative 2 magiging plus positive 2. And then, minus 2. So, magiging plus negative 2. Equals 4. So, next, we have 4 plus 2 equals 6 plus negative 2. Ayan. And 6 plus negative 2 is positive 4. So, 4 is equal to 4. So, this is true. And this means x equals 2 is the solution. Okay. Let's try another one. No? If x equals 2 naman. No? So, positive yung 2. So, no need to parenthesis. Okay. So, we have 2 squared minus 2 equals 4. And then, in-simplify natin itong left side na ito. No? So, 2 squared is 4. Minus 2. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. No? Then, minus 2 equals 0. Ayan. So, 0 equals 4. Which is false. Diba? 0 is not equal to 4 eh. So, ibig sabihin nun, x equals 2 ay hindi solution. And, may isa pa tayo, x equals 3. No? So, isubstitute natin yung 3 sa equation na ito. So, that we have 3 squared minus 3 minus 2 equals 4. And, isimplify natin to. So, 3 squared is 3 times 3, 9. Minus 3 minus 2 equals 4. And 9 minus 3, 6. And then 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 equals 4. Nagbalance, nag-equal. So this is true. And once again, dahil true ito, nag-satisfy and therefore, isa din itong solution. Okay. So, looks like na meron tayong dalawang values of x na nag-satisfy dito sa equation na ito. And these two values are x equals 2, negative 2, and 3. Okay? So, itong dalawang values ay negative 2 at saka 3. Okay? So, nakaset siya. That's why ang tawag dito ay solution set. Ito yung set of solutions or set of values ng x na nag-satisfy dito sa equation na ito. So, ang tawag dito ay solution set. Okay? X equals negative 2 or 3. Ayan. Number 5. X equals 5 is less than 7. So, let's see kung x equals negative 3, x equals 2, or x equals 5 ay solutions dito. So, isubstitute natin di sa isa. X equals negative 3. So, yung negative 3. This time, ano pala, no? Inequality na siya, no? Kasi ang symbol is less than. So, tuloy tayo. X equals negative 3. So, palitan natin to ng negative 3. Okay. Plus 5 is less than 7. And, simplify natin sa left side. So, negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2 is less than 7. 2 is less than 7. So, this is true. Okay? Kasi mas mababa yung 2 kaysa sa 7. So, therefore, ang isa sa mga solutions ay ito. X equals negative 3. Okay, let's try another one. So, x equals 2 naman. I-substitute natin yung 2 sa inequality, no, na x plus 5. So, yung x palitan natin ng 2. So, 2 plus 5 is less than 7. And 2 plus 5 dito is 7. Is less than 7. Hindi siya true. Okay? Kasi equal eh. Dapat mas pababa yung nandito kaysa sa 7. So, this is false. Okay, so it follows na x equals 2 ay hindi kasama or hindi solution dito sa inequality na ito. And then sa x equals 5 naman, so x plus 5 magiging 5 plus 5 is less than 7. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 is less than 7. So, mas malaki na ngayon yung 10 kesa 7. Though, dapat dito ay mas mababa kaysa 7. So, this is false. Mas mataas kasi si 10 kaysa sa 7, you know? So, hindi rin ito ang solution. Okay, so, between these three given values of x, ang solution dito ay x equals negative 3. But sa inequality, there are other values of x bukod sa negative 3 ang nagsatisfy dito. So, malalaman nyo na lang eventually, okay? So, sa ngayon, x equals negative 3 muna tayo. Number 6, last na to, no? 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 2x minus 9. And we have three given values of x, 0, negative 4, and negative 10. So, let's see kung solutions ang mga ito dito or hindi. Alright, so umpisa tayo sa x equals 0. So, we have 3 times 0, ayan, minus 5 is greater than or equal to 2 times 0 minus 9. Ayan. Umpisa tayo sa left side muna tayo. 3 times 0 is 0 and 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Ayan. Tapos greater than or equal to. Tapos sa right side naman, 2 times 0 is 0 and then minus 9 is negative 9. Is negative 5 greater than or equal to negative 9? Yes. Tama to, no? This is true. Kasi kapag parehas silang negative, kung alin ang mas mababang negative, mas mataas yung value. Okay? So, this is true and thus, x equals 0 ay isang solution dito. Okay? True siya. Next, x equals negative 4 naman. Ganun ulit. So, negative 4, papalitan natin dito. No? So, that we have 3 times negative 4 minus 5 greater than or equal to 2 times negative 4 minus 9. Ayan. Tapos, we have, sa left side muna tayo, no? 3 times negative 4, negative 12 minus 5. No? Gawin natin plus negative 5. No? 12 plus negative 5, negative 17. Ayan. Tapos sa right side naman, 2 times negative 4, bale negative 8 na yan. Minus 9, gawin natin plus negative 9. So, negative 8 plus negative 9 is negative 17. Kasi ang basa dito ay greater than or equal. Okay? Greater than or equal. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng mag-equal yung dalawang values sa magkabilang sides. So, 17, negative 17 is greater than or equal to negative 7. So, this is true. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, kasali din si x equals negative 4 sa solution set. Okay? Ayan. And then lastly, x equals negative 10. So, i-substitute natin tong negative 10 dito. So, 3 times negative 10 minus 5 is greater than or equal to 2 times negative 10 minus 9. Tapos, sa left side, we have 3 times negative 10, negative 30, plus minus 5. Ayan. So, gawin natin plus negative 5, no? So, negative 30 plus negative 5 is negative 35. Ayan. Tapos, sa right side naman, 2 times negative 10 is negative 20 minus 9. So, plus negative 9 na to. Negative 20 plus negative 9 is negative 29. So, mas malaking negative, mas mababa yung value. So, dapat mas malaki itong value kesa negative 29. So, this is false. Kasi ang symbol is greater than or equal eh. So, dapat mas malaki to. So, hindi kasama si x equals negative 10 sa solution set. No? So, once again, kapag inequality, hindi lang 0 at saka negative 4 ang solutions dyan. Marami pang iba dyan. So sa ngayon, ang values of x, no, na nagsatisfy dito sa given values ay x equals 0 and negative 4. So, ayan po yung solution set. Okay, so meron pang iba dyan. Okay, huwag kayong mag-ano dyan. Don't get me wrong, no? Meron pang iba dyan, alam ko. Pero sa ngayon, ito muna. Okay, kasi ito yung given values of x na binigay eh. So, ayan po. And that's all for our topic, which is about equations at saka inequalities. And I hope na meron kayong naiintindihan dito. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel para sa iba pang videos na i-upload ko. And as always, keep safe sa ating lahat. God bless. Mag-aaral ng mabuti and have a great day to all.